is another video. I don't know why I'm taking a video on my vacation, because someone told me to upload more videos, like another video. So here I am doing it right now. Right now we're in Cape Breton. We are heading to Wacoco-Mach. We're driving on highway. We're on highway TC 105, heading from Wacoco-Mach to the opposite direction. We're going to Blue Hills, something. This is just this car just passed us because we're so slow. Oh no, I am in a hurry. I have to pass you. Sorry. Like, oh my gosh. Like, what's the point of passing? Because my mom told me, if police see you over the speed limit, the fines are really bad. So I don't know why that guy just passed us. Like, what's the point? But everyone here is in a freaking hurry. But that's not my fault, okay? That's just how the traffic is. We traveled from Toronto all the way to. So we traveled from Toronto. We traveled for 5 hours to Montreal. We stayed for like one night, and then we traveled from Montreal to Quebec, which was 3 hours. After Quebec, we went to New Brunswick, which was 8 hours. And then after we stayed at New Brunswick for 1 or 2 nights, and then we drove another like 1 or 2 hours again to Prince Edward Island. We stayed there 2 nights, and then we rode a ferry from PEI to Cape Breton, and right now we're on TC 105 highway. Just look at the scenery. It is beautiful. In total, we traveled like more than 10 hours. Yes, we actually drove from Toronto to Cape Breton, past Prince Edward Island. Yeah, so this is a great scenery. I'll try to upload more videos, but I don't really like it when I'm doing it while on vacation, but whatever. I just did this video just for you guys. Yeah. I'll be uploading unboxing videos maybe in the future, so stay tuned for that. Please subscribe to the channel. Like this video if you like it, and turn on those post notifications to get notified of when I'll upload new videos. Yeah, so stay tuned for the future unboxing videos. Woo! And yeah. Oh my gosh, it's really hard always having to film these videos. It's just so hard for me because I don't know, I just find it hard. Don't judge. Yeah, stay tuned for new videos, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Just enjoy the scenery, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Yeah, this is a really cool scenery, by the way. So you first heard my sister's voice, and then my mom is forcing me to record this side. Okay, yes. Look at that beautiful view. Oh my gosh. Cape Breton, we rode a ferry for 75 minutes. This was a long video. Yep, that's it. Yep, that is it. Just enjoy the scenery for now, and it will end soon. Just don't worry if you hear voices in the background. Just ignore them. And yeah, bye. Look at this beautiful view. But I'm filming. I'm filming. I'm filming, okay? Okay? You just focus on driving, okay? I'm filming here, so don't interrupt. Oh my God. Yeah, I'm so sorry about that, guys. It's fine. What? Sorry, that's just my mom talking. Please just ignore her. I know she is very annoying, but I just have to deal with her sometimes. Yeah, I'll see you in the next vlog. I'll try to make one, but I probably won't. Whatever. And see you in the next one. Bye.